Hello everyone, welcome back to samaartmedia. I hope that all are doing good. Here is your painting. Bring out your hidden treasure of imagination in you as painting. My next upcoming video will be published on coming Wednesday. Before that, I show to you how to draw Buddha pencil sketch related to that upcoming video. Needing requirements: ruler, blending stump, eraser, 8B drawing pencil. The first step, I am making a vertical line with ruler 12 cm. The second step, take 2 cm down from the top of the vertical line and make it as the center point. From that point, take 2 cm in all other 3 sides. Now we get 4 equal points of 2 cm in both vertical and horizontal line. Now connect the points to bring out face as I am doing and erase unwanted lines. The third step is shoulder. Leave 1.5 cm down for neck. For shoulder, take 4 cm on left and right side in horizontal position. Now draw neck part and continue your drawing as I am doing to get perfect Buddha sketch. I hope that you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. All the videos links are in the description box. Thanks for watching.